These here are my gloves, and they survived for 7 years, couple of bikes and around 50,000 kilometers. Today I will show you result of that use and couple of tips on how you can prolong the life of your gloves. Hello guys and welcome to new one. Today we are talking about my beloved Dainese druid gloves. Gloves that I used for years, and now when they're in the end of their lifespan and being replaced, I think that it's suitable to do a video before they go on a shelf like a true champion. After 50,000 kilometers of use and virtually zero, and I mean zero maintenance, except occasional rain, the palms are obliterated, along with a couple of small holes on the index fingers. On the plus side, now I have tremendous amount of airflow. And all that wear and tear makes me really happy, cause I have used something to his full potential, plus how many memories and full throttles are in all that kilometers. When I look in these holes on the palms, I know I had a blast. I think I have never in my life used something to the end like these gloves. I can't praise them enough. Except of the missing palms, they look like brand new pair of gloves. Carbon protectors look like new and all of the outside leather looks good as new. Dainese really have some quality stuff. And maybe I can squeeze a few thousand kilometers more if I maintain them just a little bit. And that would be my first tip. Take care of your gloves. Clean them from time to time and put some leather cream or hand cream, just put anything on them. Another tip that I have is avoid put them on when your hands are sweaty or your gloves are sweaty and moist. As you probably know, in that situation, putting your gloves on is especially hard, and you must put extra force that may lead to tearing, especially in the palm section. And for the last tip, and maybe the most important one, when you put gloves on, avoid pulling from the inside. Instead, try the outside edge. In that way, you will not put stress on already weakened palm section. That is exactly how these large gaping holes occur on my gloves. All in all, I'm highly impressed with these gloves and build quality. If you are on the market for a new pair of gloves, version 3 of the Dainese Druids is available, so check them out. That would be all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!